Hi, in front of me is Lenovo 10e Chromebook, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this little icon with a photo and the paperclip at the bottom right corner. Finally, tap on the best source for you. I will go with camera. And simply select the photo that you wish to add by clicking on it. Lastly, tap on Open at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, my picture was successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!